So. You're an asshole.
Why?
You know why.
The suck?
Yeah.
Get a close up on that.
Making me look like a homeless person.
No, you're stunting.
So-
Look at your stuff.
No. Hey, help me, yeah?
What?
I don't want them anymore.
Wait.
I
Usa ese, está bonito.
don't know. No me gusta. ¿Cuánto cuesta? $5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, one. One.
No two.
For the ooh, you get one now. Yeah, gracias. Jason?
What?
Please.
No, stop.
Jason. Jason, he's drunk. Now what?
Okay, I'm getting more.
One more?
2 more.
Ooh.
Gracias.
For your mom?
Friends.
All of Peru knows about your dead mother. There they are. Master of puppets.
Okay, I'm done. You should see me in that jacket.
Oh, you got it? Nice.
Yeah.
Put it on.
For me.
Put it in. You gotta wear
Put it on,
You gotta-
thumbnail.
In Peru, you gotta wear it in Peru.
Too sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts.
Woo!
Viva Peru.
Let's see some toe
That
action.
one in the bag.
Let's see some toe. Okay.
Ooh.
I'll be holding you.
Hello to all everybody at the world. You have here one of the 7 wonders of the world,
One of the
which is called Machu Picchu. You have to come to Peru.
Oh, microphone's not on. I gotta start over. And rolling.
Hello everybody from the world. This is Javier. I'm just here in Machu Picchu in Peru. This is my 8th time here, and I encourage everybody to come and visit this. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world. You won't be disappointed. Come in.
I'm disappointed.
Come in and see the beauty of this. Ciao.
How much, un sol?
Un sol. Ciao.
Do you regret coming?
I regret coming to the 3-door portal because it was unimpressive. It's like any other door, just 3 of them.
You gotta see the art behind it, okay? You gotta see the art behind it.
Do you see the heart behind it?
The art is the same as any other door. I'll get hold of my breath. Take the picture.
It's a video.
Oh,
You're just standing there.
what good is that? The guy's falling.
My leg. Okay, jump. Yeah, jump. Jump.
No, come on. Hey,
Jump. Un sol.
let's go.
Bob, are you scared?
Bob, sit down. Take a picture.
Bob, sit.
No, it's against
No,
the
no,
rules.
no, 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 no.
No.
Where do you see the rules? I don't see any rules.
The rules of life. The rules of,
Oh yeah?
rules of common sense.
Oh yeah, Bob, watch
Not
this.
here.
See my leg?
I know the rules of adventure.
Ooh.
I get it? Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Bob, are you scared?
Yes, I'm frightened.
I want
The
to
feather I can.
Excuse me.
2, 1.
Woohoo! That's awesome.
What? What?
Now you're gonna put it in.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'll find a way to get in there.
Just one random video. It's gonna be like at the end credit scene.
Go.
No.
It's ready.
We order
No.
pork to
See, look at you just messed it up.
Okay.
It was so fast. You like went down, I had to like jar down there to like